I took my boys up to the resort to go snowboarding the other day, and I want you to check something out in this video that I have posted. I have never seen lightning, thunder, and snow at a resort, and they closed it down on us. But see if you can see the lightning in the background. It's kind of hard to see, but listen for the noise, that thunder. It's absolutely amazing, and I've never seen anything like this before. They just closed the list up here at Brighton, and it has been thunder. It is crazy. Can you hear the thunder? So they closed the lift. I've never heard thunder and snow. Listen. See that? I mean, thunder and snow. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Hear that? The lightning's coming. Here's the thunder. Here's the thunder. You got thunder and lightning, and it's snowing, and they just ended up shutting the lifts up here at Brighton. But look at that. So, let's see. Listen to, whew, it's coming down.